I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to transfer money from Affirm to your bank account, follow these straightforward steps. Step 1. Open the Affirm app. Launch the Affirm app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your balance and transfer options. Step 2. Check your balance. Navigate to the balance section to see how much money you have available for transfer. This will help you determine if you can proceed with the transfer. Step 3. Select Transfer option. Look for the Transfer or Withdraw option in the app. This is usually found in the menu under your balance details. Step 4. Enter bank details. Input your bank account information, including the account number and routing number. Double-check these details to avoid any errors that could delay the transfer. A common mistake is entering the wrong routing number, which could lead to failed transfers. Step 5. Confirm and submit. Review all the information you've entered and confirm the transfer. Once submitted, you should receive a notification about the status of your transfer. I hope this helped you easily transfer your funds. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Affirm's customer support for assistance.